McDonald's here in Lucban, Quezon. Hi there, guys and gals. Good midday to every one of you. First stop over, I just had my breakfast, my ever-loving favorite. Two-piece pancake and sausage McMuffin with egg. Well, you know what, guys and gals, I just really love traveling and I really miss this place passing by here going to Bicol. I'm gonna tell you some stories what happened just to make you some recap while I'm driving. The first scenario, I've got confused and instead of turning left I turned right, but it's a matter of few meters, and then I ask immediately a bystander, actually it's not a bystander, I asked some lovers who are having their no, they're just talking. I asked them if the road that I'm heading is going to Laguna and Quezon, but they didn't know, and they asked me if I have Google. So I don't have. The Google didn't work. Actually, I don't know how to make the Google, and I told him, "Are you both living here?" And he said no. I said, "Okay, thank you." So I proceed to other tricycle driver that I had to ask, and then he told me that I think you should do the other way. So he gave me a shortcut, and then I've got it there. And the second one that I've got confused, they're in a crossing. So instead of I passed here, but I've got confused again, and then I turn left. I turn around and I ask another tricycle driver if I'm doing the right way, and then he told me that way. So I drive again, and then here I am. So the reason why I got confused because it's been more than 2 years since I haven't driving in here. That's why. So I'm familiarizing it again. Anyway, now I know. Bye for now. I have to go now. Bye. Happy New Year to each every one of you. I hope I can be. I hope that I have to be there in Bicol by before 12 noon. Bye. Bye, McDonald's.